whole of Vlogmas.
Yeah.
But definitely I'm gonna reach it.
Hello.
Over 1,000 already.
Well, you know, I'm here.
Where the my channel? Where the my channel?
I mean,
You know, you're the first woman touch me camera something.
well, I mean, I feel like your people miss me, and I miss them too. Hey, burritos, what's up?
Let's go! Oh gosh.
For all the family that are over here, and your family, part family and a part burrito, big up on yourself.
That's how you do it. Oh God.
This is why you guys don't see me on his channel. You're disgusting.
You're disgusting too.
You're disgusting.
You just don't post it.
No, I don't be
don't post
disgusting.
it.
You be disgusting, man.
Yo, Rushlin have another Instagram account, one fake Instagram account.
Don't do that.
We should use it and cuss off the people them and
Don't
stuff.
do
and
that.
Yeah, we but the people they part of Rushlin close friends, you know. So we see the things them when you post Rushlin.
I'm not in any close friends group.
Oh, I have a close friends.
No,
I have a close
nobody
friends.
not consider me close friends.
What's a close friends man, so we can see what you post.
No.
The whole of this is for me. Thank you.
Look, guys, I brought food for him.
No, don't do that. Make the people them know.
So my friend can carry food for friend. If me did hungry.
No, but one time I go up on my channel, I want to say Bombard, Rushlin never yet see me I did for hungry.
Well, you can't tell
you know them.
Why would you want to go on a channel and say that?
Because just some stay like sometimes I vex, I'm say Rushlin never. Give me a little ice mint or a little something with the drinks I'm saying do one.
The bar not open yet, so there's
Take
no
a drive around and have a something and can buy one little drinks or
You see
something.
the ungratefulness?
Yeah,
Imagine me call my friend and say, friend, you hungry? Come and go stop and buy like a jerk chicken. Would you want some? And I'm gonna say, well, you know, let's make sure say I carry extra one for later when I'm hungry again. I'm gonna carry drinks, cause I'm thirsty.
Yeah, what I'm gonna say, what I'm saying is that at the end of the day, me go thirsty, so you can't just bring like jerk chicken like
I'm at your house,
it's
baby, you don't have water in the fridge?
I don't want water, me eat water, I drink water right through the day.
Look at syrup, look at
I don't drink so, but as I said,
Look at Kool-Aid, nothing.
you know,
Just so, also,
Rushlin, you know.
First of all, what going with a beard? What's this white thing?
What? White thing? Jesus Christ.
On a
Oh my
beard.
God. What, there's a white thing on my beard?
Yeah, you should
Oh
clean
my
up
gosh.
after
Oh
you
Jesus,
done
where is
it,
this?
no?
The lotion? Did you see the lotion over here? Oh my gosh, I didn't know that it reached that far.
You're bored.
Can you stop?
Come, we're gonna look and see if you have any water in the fridge.
You don't say disgusting. Why are you scandaling me?
You have ting, water, surge,
I have milk.
and milk. Drink one of those.
Yeah, that look some.
This look like you make it from 3 years
No,
ago.
from one of them.
don't know what this is. It's
And them
like-
spirulina, something from one of the bread of them in a half a tree.
And then this now, like him blend up something like 3 months ago.
Rushlin.
You blend up something. And this look like something we might eat from last year.
Garlic powder, but it look like cement now.
You know? Look at this. MTV quiz. What is this? Never look sugar up. Sugar right
Like
up.
your pokey.
Well, or something you will never know.
Oh,
Anyway,
wow.
who leaves 2 sausage in the fridge? Who does this? Who
Can you
does
stop
this?
scandal in my fridge?
Well, you have egg though, friend. You
I have egg, I have one. I have cheese,
yeah.
I have cheese,
you have
yeah.
mayonnaise.
I have mayonnaise.
Let's expire. Look at
You
that.
know, see the August, I have jam. So the may I go on. I have a
And have
little,
jam, say a bread for
I
going
have
to
a
jam.
little peanut butter, I
Yeah.
have a little bread.
Where bread? Oh,
So the
gosh.
bread, I have my bread, I have
Yeah.
the things, I have my cornmeal,
Yeah.
and the things them both.
Talk up to my friend. Talk up to my friend. With a white thing in her beard.
Right, so like, you know, do a year or so.
Yeah,
Have a
friend.
little.
Yeah, friend. Mm.
Alright, but that's kind of,
Hold
okay.
on, it now focus.
So hold on, so I have a little.
Wait, hold on, it's still not. Oh, we're not.
Don't even
Alright,
focus.
see with this. See with
So you know you have a piece of fish over here, so you know regular, you know, so hungry and peckish, so you just bowl like a piece of fish.
Yeah.
You know, like a breakfast settings, like a lunch settings, you have like a regular jam in burger.
Yeah.
You know, because me and boy cook regular, so you know you just have to like it, you know.
And
you
that's
piece of
why,
chicken.
that's why it's still sealed.
And it's right there.
But 3 months ago, I come here,
And
I'm going to see
something-
the chicken there.
Why you looking for the chicken run back?
The
And then so I have like little smoked chicken. You know, it's a regular something. It's not like when you just package at middle of the night, you just come out and
Yeah.
do. And that's basically
want that
it.
doneness.
You have callaloo, you know like a callaloo. You know Jamaican things are like a Saturday morning time. You look at callaloo and look at roast breadfruit.
And what is?
And this is just some little, je ne sais quoi, some little, some little fruits and some little vegetable medley with like cauliflower, carrots and, some
a long time you buy that
California
for?
mix. Not a long time, man, but it's just a regular.
Okay.
So that's just that.
So what is this over here?
I don't know what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's there for quite a while now. So it's just a part of the ambience.
You know, so this expire from the...
Listen,
this 19th of June 2020 from 9... Guys, this expire from the 19th of the 6th, which is June 2020.
Listen.
You're a disgrace.
Listen, honestly,
You
it's a
are?
part of the ambience at this point in time. A figurine. But you don't want, you want something on the fridge door, like, honestly, that's just what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. You should go remove that white thing from your beard now. It's getting to me.
Where is it?
It's all over your beard.
No, I don't understand the words. Oh! A flower, but I do one video earlier. You friend me a while ago, you
So
know?
why is flower?
I was doing a video, YouTube content.
It's your birthday?
No, but I was
So why you have flower?
Can you see the flower out there, so I was doing a whole YouTube video.
And flower?
Personally, when you see the video, you don't have to know about it.
So you don't feel like you must wash it off when the video done? Can you video done?
I never made it come to the start of the other work. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Alright guys, well this is where I'm gonna leave you. And he's gonna continue the rest of the vlog. So thank you for
Anyway,
being
that
here.
is just it. Thank you for
Thank
watching
you for
Dutty Berry
being here.
Uncut. Dutty Berry Uncut. Make sure you say like, share, subscribe.
Thank you for
comments.
being here with me. And head over to my channel.
Listen,
at
you smell
Rashidin.
good though, man. Like normally, like me can't say something like this, but today me can't say it.
You
smell
say it every time you see me.
I know, yeah.
Just give me a straight compliment one time.
Yeah, man, you
You
smell.
can't give me a straight
No, man,
compliment
you smell.
one time. Him never
Yes.
compliment me yet, you know. That friend
You smell
like them,
nice,
you
man.
don't need enemy.
You smell nice today, man.
Thank you.
No,
I'm
man.
gonna be there now. Imagine I'm gonna be
You're too live. Peace out.